In this video, I'm going to show you how to pass an argument to a function to make it more flexible. The change font size function is inflexible at the moment because the ID of the fruits unordered list is hard-coded into the first line. To make the function more flexible, you need to be able to accept any ID. And the way you do that is by passing an argument to the function. An argument is basically a variable that will be used inside the function. You put the argument between the parentheses after the function name. So I'm going to type ID in here. Now because it's a variable, it doesn't have any quotes around it. And I'm going to replace fruits in getElementById with the variable, the argument that I've passed, which is ID. As I said before, it's a variable, so it mustn't be in quotes. So this has the effect of passing to getElementById whatever value is passed to the function as an argument. You pass the actual value to the function when you call it, so it needs to go here in the event handler. And the event handler is wrapped in double quotes, so when I put the value fruits in here, it must be in single quotes. Using quotes incorrectly is a common cause of mistakes in JavaScript. It doesn't matter whether you use single or double quotes in JavaScript, but they must always be in matching pairs, so if I were to use double quotes here, it would match with the opening double quotes here, and that's not what you want. These opening double quotes must match with the closing quotes here, so inside I use single quotes. If I had single quotes here, then I would use double quotes here. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's save the page and see what happens. Activate Live View and click this, and it's still working. Let's just test it again by going out of Live View, and I'll delete the S from fruits so that the name is incorrect. In Live View again, nothing happens. The reason nothing happens is because the change font size function is sending the value fruit as the argument to the function here. And the argument goes in as ID, then the ID argument is passed to getElementById, but there is no element within the page that has the ID fruit. It's fruits. So I'll change it back to fruits, save the page, and reactivate Live View, and we're back in business. So passing an argument to a function is very simple.